Hi, boys and girls. So, before we get into the writing process, I wanted to share with you something that I thought was really important. It's why do we write? And over on the left, you'll see the anchor chart. We'll see a lot of these this year. I love anchor charts. Um, this is all about, well, why do writers write? Some ideas are to share experiences. Maybe they love to write, to share feelings, thoughts, or ideas, to maybe teach something to somebody, to ask questions, to persuade. Perhaps there's an important event that happened in an important date that you would, like to share, to communicate all kinds of reasons, but these are just ideas. So, the big question is, well, where do we write all these ideas and where do we write our drafts and where do we just write? You are going to have a writer's notebook. And these are just one of my favorite things to have in school because a writer's notebook is a place to collect ideas. It helps you live in a writing life. It is not a diary. It's a place to record your reactions, your thoughts, your feelings, like sometimes sad, amazed, enthusiastic, or happy. Something you can use anywhere. You can take that book and you can take it anywhere you want. And if a light bulb goes off, it's something cool happened or crazy happened, you can just jot down the idea and write about it later or write about it at that moment. So that is just a taste of what you'll be doing this year. Okay.